Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 9th. Today is 16th June 2020 and the day is Tuesday. In computer studies, we were studying about types of transmission media. Open page number 129 and today we will study about unguided media. Unguided media signals travel through open space and nothing guides them along any specific path. They do not use cables for data transmission. You can say that wireless media. Unguided media can be classified into radio waves, microwave, infrared and satellite communication. Radio waves are electromagnetic waves that are propagated by antennas. Radio transmission consists of a transmitter and a receiver. A transmitter transmits a radio signal to a receiver which receives it. Radio waves are used to transmit music, conversation, pictures and data. Data can be transmitted over long distance using radio waves. These waves are invisible and undetectable to human beings. The following are the some applications of radio waves. These are wireless. You don't use any wire over here or cable in this media. Understand? These are wireless, or you can say you catch the signals by different devices like antennas. Radio and television broadcast are as shown in figure 4.8. Here you can see radio and television. So these satellites are giving signals. Radio controlled toys as shown in figure 4.10. Understand? जो खिलौने होते हैं जिनको आप रिमोट से कंट्रोल करते हैं, that are also run through unguided media. Satellite communication, wireless networks and wireless internet. Now microwave. Microwave signals travel through open space like radio waves. Microwaves provide much faster transmission rate than telephone lines or coaxial cables. Microwave antennas are installed on high buildings or high towers as shown in figure 4.11. Like this. The transmitting and the receiving sites must be within sight of one another. Microwaves are used for satellite communication and other long distance wireless communications. लंबे फासले तक वायरलेस कम्युनिकेशन के लिए ये पेज लगाए जाते हैं. Now infrared. Infrared waves are light energy that we cannot see. It travels through space at the speed of light. It is used for short distance communication. Infrared waves are usually used in remote controls for television, DVD players and other similar devices. Infrared wireless signals are disrupted by persons or objects in between the transmitter and receiver, but it does not get interference of other radio signals. It is also used in industrial, scientific and medical appliances and night vision devices. Infrared communication between television and remote control is shown in figure 4.12. Infrared communication. X-ray machine is also called infrared. Also use this technology, infrared technology. Understand? Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a wireless communication technology that uses radio waves or to connect portable electronic devices over short distance. It eliminates the need for cable connection and provide fast and reliable transmission. It supports networking of wide range of portable devices that work on low battery. These devices include mobile phone, mouse, keyboard, wireless speaker, wireless headset, tablet, laptop computer and personal computer. Laptop computer has built-in Bluetooth, but personal computer can use Bluetooth adapter to communicate with Bluetooth devices. The most common use of Bluetooth is connecting a mobile phone to a wireless headset or to laptop computer to transfer voice data. Bluetooth technology can transmit text, image, voice and video. As you use in your mobile phones Bluetooth technology, it's also a wireless technology. Now satellite. A satellite is an object that is placed in an orbit around the earth and it revolves around it with speed that is slightly faster than Earth's average orbital speed for communication. It is a wireless receiver and transmitter used for transmitting data over long distance at high speed. Ground stations beam signals antennas to satellite. Satellites amplify and transmitted the signals to another ground station which can be located many thousands of miles away as shown in figure 413. As shown in figure 413, this is your satellite communication. Understand? This is also wireless communication. The main drawback of satellite communication is the high cost of placing the satellite into its orbit. बहुत महंगा है ये system. Satellites are launched by rockets or space shuttles and precisely positioned in the space with an orbit speed that exactly matches with the rotation speed of the Earth. Thank you.